I can't believe it's been 10 years since we planted these trees. They stand in Alcover, Spain. We planted them in 2014. The first trees of land life. Wow, they're taller than I am.
In a decade, land life has grown over 10 million trees across the globe. 10 years with one mission: to restore nature.
What unites us is our belief that we can restore the world's degraded land within our lifetime. We're united by that sense of purpose, and it really helps us dig deep when we need to.
Together, we pioneered impact on climate, biodiversity, and local communities in more than 130 projects across 5 continents. Bringing together scientists, engineers, and visionary customers, partners, and landowners to prove that with innovation and collaboration, bringing nature back is possible.
I'm looking forward to the time when my family's children can actually enjoy this area as a young forest.
That's why we're already working on the next 10 years, because the future is nature, and we will restore it together.